At first they were merely a rumor. A dark whisper. They are Baroque works.
They're an organization of assassins.
Joseph Fleur. It's the absence of hope. You will never find the one piece.
My friends. Together.
There's nothing we can't take on.
So you're a captain of the Straw Hat Pirates? Monkey D. Luffy. You might think you're unstoppable, but your friends aren't made of rubber.
You gotta be... These guys are unstoppable!
Now's my turn.
Good luck.